Hey folks, I'll give you a little walk around of our 2001 Lexus LS 430. This is the one we picked up at Rancho Cucamonga. It had been wrecked in the back. All the lights work. Get a little closer. Not too many chips on it or anything. Tires. Pretty deep. Here's where we got a couple chips. Got one there and one there. We got a couple paint sticks, so I'm going to try to use that to see if I can cover those up a little bit better. And down here, this is the worst of it left right here. This one here we notice getting wet inside. There's the inside. Get a chance to look at that. The armrest has a little bit of crack in it. I don't know if we're going to fix that or not. All your controls. Back seat. This is not the luxury model that has the controls back here, but you got a cup holder and a storage area. But you do have the cooler back here. Seats are in pretty good shape. Got a little cut here. Come on, folks, this is a 21-year-old car. There's got to be something wrong with it. Let's get in and start her up. Well, keep the keys. Hook up your phone, whatever there. It's got heated seats, both sides. Radio. Start it up. As you can see, it's got 161,172 miles. I guess we can turn this on. There we go. It's got a map on it, shows you where you're going. Radio. It's got a 6-disc CD changer. Glove box, got the manuals. See the floor. Seats are in great shape. Remember folks, this is an old car. These cars are really sweet. Just want to give you a quick look at our finished product. All the windows work. I'll cut it off here and I'll get back.